In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add the student image element. I'm going to click Open, Add Element, and then click Student Image. This pulls the image from the person's profile or the individual's profiles that you have selected when you go to create certificates. I recommend setting the height and width to be the dimensions of the default images that you receive from your school photographer. The reason for this is you don't want it to be set to auto, because if the image being imported is a custom image, it'll actually put the full size of the image into your certificate or your ID, and that can overflow into other elements. So you want to set it to the portrait dimensions that you receive from your photographer, or at least keep the ratio as close as possible. If an image is imported or uploaded that doesn't exactly match this dimension, what will happen is the image will scale to fit the top and bottom of this space, and then will be cropped on the side so as to preserve the student's actual portrait. You can adjust the opacity and rotation. Generally for these, you don't want them to be opaque or rotated. And you can also add a border in the student image settings tab. Once you've positioned it where you want, make sure to save all your changes as before. Usually you want the student image to be at the very front of your document. You don't want anything overlapping it, so make sure that you bring it all the way to the front by clicking Bring to Front, or right-clicking the element and then clicking Bring to Front.